Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to use gift card on Chick-fil-A app. So let's get into the video. So once you have your gift card ready with you, so what you're going to do, open up your Chick-fil-A app. So open up your Chick-fil-A app and then log into your account. So if you have an account, so log into your account. So once I've logged into your account, you're going to go to the scan tab here. So click on the scan tab, and then here what you're going to do, you're going to simply scan the QR code. So once you have scanned the QR code, okay, so once you scan, then you will see an option called add funds. So you simply have to click on that add funds option here, and then once you click on add funds, then you will go, there will be options for you. Then select the option called transfer a gift card. So once you click on transfer a gift card, all you have to do is just proceed with your gift card and provide the details of your gift card. So by doing so, you can add funds to your account using your gift card, which you can use for purchase. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.